What is up? What is going on? NFL Rivals, super content viewers. Today, it is Saturday, best day of the week. Unfortunately, this season pass, this training camp event has not been fruitful to me. I have bought 4 of these screen passes and every time I got a rare blue card. So today, hopefully we can get an epic, get a legendary, something that's not rare. Come on, money shot. All right, the second card is the card we need. Here it is. Come on, Mecole Hardman, a player that I already have. Fantastic. Oh, oh, that's a stinger. That is a stinger. I mean, just looking into the players, this is not a single red have I gotten. I have all the rares except for Trayshawn Wharton. So that's probably why. Darn, this game. None the worries. Yeah, the main reason why it's important to get more of these cards is just to fulfill stipulations on Trayvon Diggs. He'll be 203 overall. Need 15 of these training camps. He would overtake, if he was 203 overall, it'd be better than 197. It's all right, though. Thank you very much, and have a great rest of your day.